So, Samsung hasn't said a single official word about the Galaxy S26 Ultra yet, but the internet has already decided it's time to start the hype. A so-called hands-on video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has popped up online, and at first glance, it looks legit. There's a retail-style box, an S Pen, and what looks like the phone itself sitting inside like it's ready to be sold tomorrow. But once you look a little closer, things start falling apart pretty quickly. The box looks convincing in the way all good fakes do. Clean design, that minimal Samsung look they've used for the last few years, silhouette of the phone on the front, simple branding. It's all there. The S Pen is placed beside the phone to make everything look cinematic and dramatic. But here's the problem. The phone is just kind of sitting there. Samsung's real boxes usually grip the phone tightly with precise cutouts. This one looks more like someone dropped the device inside for the sake of a video shot. When they open the box, you do get what looks like a Galaxy S26 Ultra, but chances are it isn't actually Samsung's final product. It lines up pretty closely with earlier leaked CAD designs, which is probably why it looks convincing. You see two vertical columns of camera rings on the back, a fresh-looking camera bump layout, multiple sensors, the TOF sensor, LED flash, different focal lenses, and that whole serious flagship energy Samsung's Ultra phones usually have. On paper, it checks all the boxes of what we're expecting. But look at the details, and things stop adding up. The build quality of the camera rings doesn't look as premium as Samsung's real engineering normally does. The finish feels slightly off, almost like the kind of plastic models accessory manufacturers use to make cases before the real phone is even finalized. And that's exactly what this probably is. One of those dummy units created from leaked CAD files, built just to get dimensions right and shipped to content creators so they can show what the phone might look like. The interesting part is that even though it likely isn't a real working phone, it still tells us a lot. If Samsung sticks to these leaked designs, the S26 Ultra might actually move a little further away from the sharp, boxy design the Ultra lineup became famous for, going for slightly rounder edges and a more refined camera housing that looks much more intentional than just floating camera rings. So yeah, that viral leak? Cool to look at, probably fake, but still a decent preview of what Samsung's 2026 Ultra could end up becoming. The design language seems to be evolving, and honestly, it looks like Samsung is trying to make the Ultra feel a bit friendlier in the hand without losing that powerful, serious identity. But I want to know what you think. If this design is even close to the real thing, are you liking the direction Samsung is heading in? Is the camera layout an upgrade or a downgrade for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this one's going to get interesting as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.